Hello everyone, this is the Science Codons, and in today's video we are going to talk about the life cycle of Phaseola hepatica. Phaseola hepatica, also known as the common liver fluke or sheep liver fluke, is a parasitic trematode. It infects the livers of various mammals, including humans, and is transmitted by sheep and cattle to humans all over the globe. The disease caused by the fluke is called fasciolosis or fascioliasis, which is a type of helminthiasis and has been classified as a neglected tropical disease. Fasciolosis is currently classified as a plant or foodborne trematode infection, often acquired through eating the parasites Metacercary encysted on plants. Phaseola hepatica is found on all inhabited continents, in more than 70 countries, particularly where sheep or cattle are raised. Human infections have been reported in parts of Europe, the Middle East, Latin America, the Caribbean, Asia, Africa, and rarely in Australia. Although the conditions for F. hepatica life cycle exist in some parts of the United States, most of the reported U.S. cases of F. hepatica infection in humans have occurred in immigrants who became infected in other countries. But how is the life cycle of this trematode? Well, immature eggs are discharged in the biliary ducts and passed in the stool. Eggs become embryonated in fresh water over approximately 2 weeks. After that, embryonated eggs release myricidia, which invade a suitable snail intermediate host. In the snail, the parasites undergo several developmental stages: sporacysts, redia, and cercaria. The cercaria are released from the snail and encyst as Metacercary on aquatic vegetation or other substrates. Humans and other mammals become infected by ingesting Metacercary contaminated vegetation like watercress. After ingestion, the Metacercary exist in the duodenum and penetrate through the intestinal wall into the peritoneal cavity. The immature flukes then migrate through the liver parenchyma into biliary ducts, where they mature into adult flukes and produce eggs. In humans, maturation from Metacercary into adult flukes usually takes about 3 to 4 months. Okay guys, if you are interested in these topics, you can check our website, which is sciencecodons.com. Please let us know your opinions in the comments below. See you soon. Bye.